This camera is gonna die. This is a process I do every morning. I put all of my jewelry on. Okay, it's currently, what time is it? It's 2:16 in the morning, and I was really bored, and for about an hour I contemplated filming, and then I started setting up, and then I got really lazy and I wasn't gonna film, but then I was like, no, get off your lazy butt. You already started setting up. Just do it while you're kind of motivated to do it. So that's what I'm doing. Did I even do an intro? Did I say hey guys? I didn't even say hey. Hey guys, so, oh wait. That's not plugged in because it's not Christmas anymore. The 27th, technically, it's the 26th, but I'm filming at 2, so it's the 27th. And it's not Christmas, and we're taking down our Christmas tree today. So, I'm going to be doing my makeup because I have nothing better to do, and, yeah, it's going to be like chit-chat, but also some of my new songs that I'm liking, but I'm not going to do like a whole like favorites of the month because we're not ready for that. We're gonna do that in the new year. We're not gonna do a December one because it's already almost the end of the year. Yes, I apply this very vigorously. Vanilla, but it's not vanilla. I don't know. So I need to drink? No, I'm not drinking it. I need to take some NyQuil because I need to go to sleep after this. I couldn't find the DayQuil earlier, so I was just suffering all day. Anywho, starting this makeup. I don't know what I'm going with. This is probably going to be a really really boring video scene. I also don't want to put foundation on, so I'm going to look kind of dumb with eye makeup and no freaking thingy. The camera's dying. I really did. Like, I knew it was dying. I was just too lazy to go get a battery. This lighting makes me look really white, but in reality, I'm not that white. Like, I kind of look kind of like tan. No, who am I kidding? Okay. I really should have charged this an hour ago when I had the idea of filming, but whatever. We're going to start with eyebrows. I'm really getting frustrated with this situation. Ugliest thing I've ever done with my life. Okay. Oh my god, you literally can't see anything except my forehead. Like, I know Annika does that, but that's acceptable for her because she's Annika. Okay, I look kind of demonic looking up at you like that. Ow, my head hurts. I'm really ready to go to bed and watch The Good Doctor. It's really good. I'm on season 1 still because I haven't had a lot of time to watch it, but wow, this is white. Hold on. Did that do anything? I'm on season 1, episode 17. It's really good, honestly. Like, today, don't mind this. That's just my friend. Today, I did my room pretty cool. All around my room, put white lights, and then on one line of the wall, I put orange lights because that's like my creepy wall. So that's just what I'm gonna call it. It's called my creepy wall. I'm gonna do a room tour soon again because I haven't done one in like 2 years, and it's because like before my room literally had not changed at all. The air just kicked on, so don't mind that. This looks like crap. So like I get roasted on my eyebrows a lot, so thank you guys for that, for making me feel self-conscious about my eyebrows, because every time I leave the house I just get so like my eyebrows are across my face. So thank you for that. You know who you are. So, but I blocked you so you can't comment anymore. So one time me and my mom were watching Save These Rose, and it just so happened that she was talking about like haters. What is my I hate holding up mirrors. I know that sounds stupid, but like, oh my god. So Sadie Rose was talking about haters and whatever, and she was like, I have never seen a hater that's better off than I am. They are just jealous and like mad that you have something that they don't. Because when I was like 12, I'm gonna expose myself. When I was like, how old was I? It was 5 years ago, so I was 10. And I was commenting on people's videos, like, this is when I was 10, so this is not now. Now I don't even comment on videos that much anymore, unless it's like, I really like them, like Annika or Karen and Skylar or something. I would like, oh my god, this is the worst morning routine I've ever seen. And like, okay, half of them weren't even like beautiful morning routines and I just hated them. I don't know why I commented those things. And like, I get it. You just feel the impulses of any of that. You must comment these things. What are my eyebrows? Eyebrows off camera. Honestly, how do I fix the exposure on this? Okay, that looks a little bit better. I'm not as white. So, I did my eyebrows, and they're not looking cute at all. So, anyways, like I was saying, I was talking. Oh my god. I need to do a face mask ASAP. So now I'm going to cover these amazing eyelids. The whole point of the story is I've never seen a hater that was better off than I was. That's what Sadie's Road said. And if you really look at the big picture of it, there is no hater that is better off than you, because they're just either mad that you have things that they don't and they want what you have, or they just are really angry and are taking it out on you, which is cool. I mean, you get your anger out somehow. So just, you know. Jeffree Star says if you want to, like, if you have hate and anger, just give it all to me and I'll suck it all up like a sponge. That's what he said, and I always think about that. Like, I'm here, whatever. Yell at me. Tell me to get hit by a bus. Like, literally, like, people telling me to kill myself. So, like, if you're ever gonna do YouTube, I don't mean to discourage you, but you're gonna get hate comments no matter what you do, no matter how nice you are. They're gonna somehow find something to nitpick on, or, like, tell you that you suck at blah, 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 or to get hit by a bus. That's what every YouTuber has to go through, because there's nothing you can do to get out of hate comments, because there's always those people that feel the need to hate comment on you. It's fine, you know, like, it's not gonna affect you. You're gonna do you anyways. You don't need to worry about them. I'm gonna put this chapstick on because it smells good. I need a cough drop. Okay, let's move away from haters because I hate talking about them. We're gonna do some sort of makeup look. I'm sweating and it's kind of gross. Color I want to do, I don't know if I want to do like purple or if I want to go like neutral or like a fallish color. I want to do this color. I'm really attracted to this color. I don't know what it's called. Don't come at me. I'm not a makeup guru. So we're just gonna take probably the wrong brush for this, okay? Because I'm 15 and I don't care. Even though, wow. Even though Annika like does makeup like literally a goddess, and she's 15, and Haley Morales and Rachel Cantu, all of them are queens and I love them. I especially love Annika though. She's my favorite. Okay, I don't know what's happening here, but she does makeup really well. And she's really pretty. And I love her, and she does makeup well, and I do not at all, because I don't wear eyeshadow or anything. The only thing I'm kind of good at is eyeliner, and I'm not gonna lie, I do think I'm kind of good at eyeliner, because, I mean, some days you're just like, girl, it looks like you've never done makeup before, but other days, most days, it like looks sharp and we're here for it. Keep coffeeed. Like, I'm not really like super into makeup, to be completely honest. Like, I'm not like super crazy about makeup, but I do like to do it sometimes just to be a little girly, because most of the time I am not. I'm just like emo tomboyish type girl, which I don't mind. I like being a tomboyish emo girl. That's what I go for. This doesn't look good, but it's only one color, so we're gonna get on the other one after. This is like a flat brush. This is one of my newer brushes. Hold on. Let me look at my new brushes. I stole some from my mom and I forgot I got brushes. It's so nice. If anything, I'll just do a different color on my other eye if I don't like this. It's this glitter color. Does it have the names? No. I'm not expected to know these names because, like, they aren't on here, and it's not my palette, it's my mom's. Every palette that I use is my mom's. I don't have palettes because I don't want to invest money into palettes because I don't care that much. What's weird is that I used to. Like, I used to be like, oh my god, I want this palette, I want this makeup, I want this foundation, and blah, blah, blah. But now I, like, barely wear makeup. Like, I used to be like, oh my god, I need foundation to save my life. But now I literally don't wear foundation at all. I just have foundation to use it for my eyebrows and eyeliner. Puma, was I ever girly? I think last summer I was.
What? I feel like you weren't really girly then, though.
What was I?
I don't think so.
You don't think I was ever girly?
No.
Okay, so apparently, according to Pumbaa, I was never girly. Like, no, I really wasn't. I just was into makeup a lot during that summer. Yeah, really bad. Dude, my eyebrows. Ooh, you roast my eyebrows now? Look at them then.
Yeah.
Ooh, they were literally like straight up black look I was going for. And I honestly thought it looked bomb. Like, I would wear like this orange eyeshadow only. And I didn't like blend. I don't even know. Your girl was not looking good. Don't look back at my old videos, please. Unless you want to die. I'm gonna get started on the other eye so that I feel a little bit better. I don't know what look I was going for here. And I don't really feel like doing eyeliner, to be honest, because I am lazy. I think I'm just gonna give up on makeup. Just stick to my eyeliner, stick to my brows, and mascara, and that is it. I would never wear eyeshadow to school. The most eyeshadow I will wear is blue under my eyes, and that looks hella emo. It's cool because that is who we are. Oh, my throat hurts. What is my life? I look like, you know those models that like wear very extravagant makeup and like purple eyelashes? So I like to brush my eyelashes because it makes them like, I don't know. These are my eyelashes, by the way. Somebody called me out and was like, oh my god, she's so fake. She wears fake eyelashes. And I'm like, thanks, but no, actually, I brushed them out with this thing that my grandma gave me, and it broke off the handle and stuff, but, you know, it's fine. So I basically just brush them, and they come out longer. And I also use Telescopic. Telescopic is a really good mascara. I've been using it since I was like 12. I need India ink. So now that I've kind of wasted my time with this makeup because I literally look like I got punched in the eye, fine, I'm taking it off. I'm not going anywhere, so this was a really pointless and boring video. This literally has no meaning. So now I'm going to take this off and go to bed because I have nothing better to do. Honestly, this looks so bad, and you could like make a meme out of me. Antonio, when she actually does her makeup, it looks good and it's entertaining because it looks good, but me, so she's winning, I'm not. I hope you guys enjoyed this very boring, unnecessary video that does not even need to go up. I'll probably just name it like me doing my makeup at 2 a.m. Me delusionally doing my makeup at 2 a.m. And I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be better, hopefully. Bye.